Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to change your wiper blades, your front and rears. Here are the ones I got. So this one's for the rear. There's the part number. And then this is for the front. So there's that. It's the Aero Twin. The rear is obviously just a single. The fronts are both of them. So I'll show you how to do the fronts first. First thing you want to do is put your wiper blades into service mode. So you turn your ignition on and then you can switch it off and then press down on your windshield wiper. There you go. So these are very easy to do. Press this and then it's supposed to slide out. There you go. There's the first one. Let's do the passenger side. So to install the new ones, it's pretty simple. Just do the same thing you did when you took them off. So facing down, so the button clicks in like that. Make sure it's secure. Make sure it's flush. So it clicks in solid. All right, let's do the other one. So make sure this is facing downward. There you have it, brand new wiper blades on the front. So for the rear one, you're gonna see little tabs or little clip things. So basically do that, push it in, and slide this out. It's difficult to do with one hand. There you go. In case you're doing this with one hand like I was, make sure you put like a microfiber underneath so it doesn't slam onto your window and scratch it or something. But all right, so same way you took it off, you're gonna slide it back on, which I don't know if I can show you guys this because it's gonna be difficult, but put this part in first. That little bracket, let me try to show it again. That slides into there. And then all you're gonna have to do is push it in so it catches the clips like that on both sides. And then you can play around with it just to make sure it doesn't come off. Let me take this off. There you go, beautiful. And that's how you change your windshield wipers on your Porsche Macan.